Where had you been in the last week? Where had you been in the last week? Where is he from? Where is he from? Where is he? Where is he? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Which school does he go to? Which school does he go to? Who are they? Who are they? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? Who is it? Who is it? Who taught you that? Who taught you that? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? What are you two talking about? What are you two talking about? What day is it on the 1st May? What day is it on the 1st May? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did you think? What did you think? What do they study? What do they study? What do you have? What do you have? What do you think? What do you think? What happened? What happened? What is it in your hand? What is it in your hand? What is it? What is it? What is that? What is that? What is the time now? What is the time now? What month is running now? What month is running now? What should I wear? What should I wear? What time does he leave his office? What time does he leave his office? What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start? What's in it? What's in it? What's the name of the company you work for? What's the name of the company you work for? What's the temperature? What's the temperature? What's this? What's this? What's up? What's up? When will he return home? When will he return home? When will you return? When will you return? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where can I rent a car? Where can I rent a car? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Where did you learn it? Where did you learn it? Is it raining? Is it raining? Is there anything cheaper? Is there anything cheaper? Is your brother here? Is your brother here? Shall I turn the light off? Shall I turn the light off? Should I wait? Should I wait? The big one or the small one? The big one or the small one? Were there any problems? Were there any problems? Were you at the library last night? Were you at the library last night? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you looking for? What are you looking for?